Today's email infrastructure is complex, costly, and inadequate. Organizations are stuck with multiple products and incompatible architectures, often forcing them to disable Microsoft Office 365's native protection, burdening security teams and end users with complex workflows. With Abnormal, security teams can now eliminate redundant email gateways and enhance Microsoft's built-in security capabilities. Once integrated via one-click API, Abnormal automatically profiles your VIPs and employees, their behavior, relationships, communication patterns, and typical tone and content shared to baseline known good behavior. And that's not all. Since organizations are only as secure as their partners within the supply chain, Abnormal's vendor base scans past emails to identify all your suppliers, partners, and vendors and continuously monitors them for risk by gathering signals across the entire enterprise ecosystem. This continuous monitoring gives security teams complete visibility into their organization's vendor relationships and their security postures, while protecting end users from supply chain attacks. These make Abnormal extremely effective at detecting even the most subtle anomalies that deviate from known good behavior, to precisely stop sophisticated attacks that evade secure email gateways, like social engineering, fraud, and internal attacks from compromised accounts. It brings together security metrics across all Microsoft, Google, and secure email gateways to dramatically simplify reporting and to give you actionable insights. And your end users will thank you. They will no longer have to rely on spam and quarantine digest to salvage missed messages. Abnormal learns end users' preferences by observing how they move messages between folders, creates and manages safe and block lists for each of them, and delivers spam and gray mail to junk and promotional folders respectively. Abnormal protects enterprises by providing comprehensive email security to precisely block the full spectrum of email attacks, not just phishing, malware, and spam, but targeted attacks like social engineering, account compromise, and fraud. Meet with us to uncover email-based threats lurking within your organization. It takes minutes to set up, presents zero risk, and requires no effort. You'll get actionable insights in 7 days. Let's talk.